Hey guys, Alexis, Sophia Leather. All right, so I'm gonna be giving away all of this leather, all right, for Christmas. I'm gonna give it away. I'll tell you how to enter the giveaway at the end of the video. So it forces you to watch the whole thing so that the ads can play and I can get more money. However, there's no reason why I just said however. Yeah, I just want to give this away. I'll show you on the bottom. This is where I put all my leather, and it was a hot mess. And I was thinking, man, I really don't use a lot of this, and I am going to give it away. That's all this video is all about. So no excuse to make a video. But I will tell you that all this is probably valued at around, I don't know, anyway from 400 to 800, depending. I didn't exactly go through it exactly to see how much all this is worth, but I figured we should do that on camera. We'll go through this whole pile, all of this, sift through it, and then I'll tell you what leather it is, what ounce, and what kind of leather and where I got it from. And I'll see if I can shove it in this box. I don't know. That's a lot of leather to shove in that box, but we'll go through this. I'll tell you exactly what kind of leather, what tannery it comes from, and a little bit about the leather, and so I could extend this video out a long time to generate more views for advertisement. I'm still in the hole though, right? If I give $500 of leather away, but I only gain $10 on advertisement, is actually not a good business practice. But I really, really would love for somebody to use this that doesn't have a lot of leather. This could actually hold you over for a long time. I got ranges from 2 to 3 ounces to 7 ounces. I got 4 ounce, 5 ounce, 10 ounce, 8 ounces, 12 ounce stuff in there. A full range of stuff that you guys could tinker, practice, or even make some stuff. All right, so let's change the camera and I'll show you what I got here. All right, so we're gonna work with this section here. This section here is all 5 ounce and under. So this is Wicked & Craig 5 ounce burgundy. Wicked & Craig 5 ounce black, it's a big roll. I mean, there. These colors right here, this is Metropolitan leather. This gray, this is their Metropolitan gray. This is all 5 ounce, and you could really do a lot with that. This is Metropolitan in white. Some more 5 ounce English bridle, Wicked & Craig. This is actually Buterro from Rocky Mountain, the green. I ordered 5 ounce, but it's a little thicker than 5 ounce and it's kind of stiff. I wasn't a fan of it. So this is actually unused Buterro from Rocky Mountain, 5 ounce, 1 square foot. That's gonna go in the box. Then you have quite a bit of 5 ounce. This is the belly though. 5 ounce, dark brown, Wicked & Craig, English bridle. That's quite a lot, that's a big, you can get a gust out of that. This is Kipskin from Weaver Leather, a whole side of Kipskin, most of it. That's 2 to 3 ounce. That's like 50 bucks right there. This is Metropolitan leather. This is their sky blue, Metropolitan sky blue, 5 ounce, and some strips. So you can probably get some keychains and stuff out of that. Wicked & Craig 5 ounce, tan, English bridle. This is a little thicker than 5 ounce. This is like the neck area. It's a little thicker, closer to 6. Wicked & Craig English bridle, dark brown. This is what I'm talking about. This is, I ordered 5 ounce, but this part here, I think this is a butt. It came in like a little thicker, it's like 6 ounces there. It's kind of stiff. Some more of the same. A piece of veggie tan. This is like 6 ounce, maybe a square foot, a little less than that. Just regular Wicked & Craig veggie tan leather right there, tooling leather. Some more random 5 ounces Wicked & Craig English bridle. This is their medium brown. A strip of the same 5 ounce. This is Wicked & Craig English bridle, chestnut 5 ounce, and this is really supple. This is the spine area, the back. This is a really good, strong piece. You can get a whole bunch of keychains out of that. I don't know why I'm giving this away. That's because I love you guys. This is Buterro, don't fall. This is Buterro purple or violet, they call it. 5 ounce, this is a little thicker. Yeah. little thicker. This is probably closer to 6 ounce, a strip of that. You can get some keychains out of that. All right, let's move over to the 9 ounce stuff. All right, now this is all Wicked & Craig English Bridal, 8 to 10 ounce. This is their medium brown, 8 to 10. This is their new Latigo, 8 to 10 ounce. This is skirting leather from Wicked & Craig. It's like 12 ounces, super stout, really thick stuff. A strap of that 12 ounce. Skirting leather. This is their russet skirting leather, russet color. This is like 6 ounce. I ordered 5, but it came in kind of thick. It was a little too stiff for my liking. Almost a whole side of that. Some more of the same russet. Then you have English Bridal dark brown. This is about 10 ounces. This is chestnut English Bridal. That's about 10 ounces. Medium brown English Bridal, about 10 ounces. Look at this. I don't want to give this away, but this is a whole neck of English Bridal, Wicked & Craig, their chestnut. And this is a little thicker. This is probably 11 ounces. This is why I don't really use it. About 11 ounces. 8 ounce of tan Wicked & Craig, probably close to 7 ounces. Same with the tan. Then I have a dark brown, another dark brown piece here. This is closer to 10 ounces. And some random straps, little pieces. You can get keychains out of that. Those are all 10 ounces. And another tan, about 8 ounces here. Yeah, let me do my outro and tell you how to get all this. Hey, Mama. What's that?
Can you pick up Jay?
Yeah, no problem. I can do that. Okay, no problem. Listen, I love you. I'm actually filming and you're interrupting.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, it's okay. Listen, I love you. Hold on. I'm gonna put you on speaker
Okay.
so you can tell the world how you really feel about me. Listen, I love you.
Okay.
But with all due disrespect and all due offense, you interrupted me, and I forgive you.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. I'll make sure to kiss you on the forehead.
Thank you. Okay, that's all I got. Okay, I love you, bye.
Okay, bye.
All right. So now I just gotta figure out a way to get all that in that box. I might have to cut off some of this stuff that I clicked out. I think I could get it in there. I don't know. So it's gonna be completely free. Unfortunately, it can go international, only free, US only. Does this make me look cool? And what I'm gonna do is throw in this hat. So now you're getting about $400 to $700 worth of leather for free, but you're also getting a $7,000 merch hat, the original, the OG. I'm gonna throw it in the box. Is it gonna get crushed and look like crap? Most likely, but you get the original. So that brings you from $7,000 plus the $800. You're looking close to $8,000 of product you're getting. And my net return, my return of investment for this video is probably $5 I'll make on the video. I'm okay with that, right? So the way I don't know what, just unsubscribe right now because you're wasting your time with me, 100%. It's a complete waste of time. I randomly kick buckets of brass rivets. All right, anyway, so this is how you enter. You have to subscribe, hit the notification. Now the notification, why you want to hit that is for obvious reasons, right? But the other thing is I'm gonna start live streaming. I don't know if you guys seen my last live streams, but whenever I'm actually just working, I'm just gonna turn the live stream on. The last one was like 4 hours long. So hit the notification so it can tell you when I'm live streaming. And but the way you enter is simply just tell me why in the comments why you want this leather, you know? But yeah, just tell me why you want it, and then I'll declare a winner sometime. I mean, that's it. All right. It'll be unfortunate if I chest laser all of these things, right? And blow it up. That would be really unfortunate, wouldn't it? Well, anyway, God bless you guys. I'll see you later. I hope you have a good Christmas. Merry Christmas. And that's it. What you say? That's it. That was dumb.